you use your imagination here, that we have a strong downstream wind, and a lot of people use a double spay cast. Double spay cast is fine, but the only thing in close quarters, if you're in a place that's very confined, well then you have a problem. And the problem is this: if I put my line up here, this is double spay, and I bring it round, you end up with too big of a D loop in it, and a big D loop then goes in, catches the bushes and whatever else. So there's a cast I use, and I call it a double roll cast. A double roll cast is simply, I bring the very start of the double spay, so I'm going to bring my line to here, let the D loop form, then transfer the D loop here. The D loop is right beside me. Now I end up with a bloody L in the water there, which if I cast now, it's going to just it won't work. So what I have to do is try and take that bloody L out of it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do the same, bring it up to here. Remember, it's a strong downstream wind. Transfer the D loop here, just pop the line over, and once you pop the line over, bring the rod back. Now you have alignment. You have your anchor point, D loop and rod facing the one direction, and you just pop the line out. You can shoot line into it or not. If you had the wind coming, I showed you that one, that the wind was coming from left to right. Now if the wind is coming from right to left, you just do the exact same thing, except the rod in the opposite shoulder. So this time you move the rod to here, transfer the D loop from here to here, pop the line out, pull back on the line when your hand will turn it over, and then just pop it out, and you'll get 90 degrees there. It's very, very efficient cast, brilliant cast.